Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover and save documents on Excel. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So just imagine you have been working on a very important document in Excel for some hours, creating a very complicated graph, and then Excel crashed. The power went out, or you accidentally closed a file without saving. That is frustrating, but don't be so caught up about it. You can easily recover your unsaved document. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first, you can just open our Excel, and for example, we just create file in here. Maybe for the example, like this. Okay. Fizzy Pro 3. And accidentally, we close the document without save it. So how to do it to recover the unsaved document on the Excel? You can open your Excel. Now you can open the blank document first. Click on File. Click on Info, and you'll find there is an option Manage Workbook. You can just click on that, and you'll find there is an option Recover and Save Workbook. You can just choose on that, click on that, and you'll find all the unsaved Excel document in here. You can recover in here for all the unsaved document. You can find it on the info on the files. Sorry. So like this. Okay, in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to find and save Word document on Excel and recover it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.